Well, hello guys, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box. What we're doing today, we're doing just a little minor work on the sprinkler system. 6 years ago I installed a Rainbird sprinkler system, a little kit, and I bought 2 sets of the little manifolds that already have the valves already on them. One has 2 valves, the other has 3, so I got a total of 5 different watering stations in the backyard, and they water safe from grass to trees and all that. So you know, for the biggest part, keeping the backyard watered is a no-brainer. Have not had a lot of problem with this system in 6 years, and a couple of times I've replaced a sprinkler head for one reason or another. If I hit it with the mower or it just wore out. In most places they do require some sort of a vacuum breaker, and it is a good thing to put on your system to keep from sucking dirty water from the sprinkler heads on into your house or out in the street. So anyway, this is how I replaced it. That's the 3-gang manifold, and inside that little box is where your electrical connections are. They're kind of sealed in a waterproof grease. And in this gang, there's just 2 valves. And these little things are specially designed for you to use on irrigation systems to waterproof your wiring connections. And like I say, these have been working for 6 years, no fail. Well, this is the type of vacuum brake, like I said earlier, that I started off with, and this is what I've gone to. Because my old vacuum brake on the top, it had a shutoff valve, I now incorporated my shutoff valve here, and also I put a union that I could disconnect, and if I had to replace this valve again, I could just unhook here, spin it round and round, it'll come off, then I can put the other one back on and tighten it on down. So anyway, I think I wished I'd have really done that at first, but this was not that much trouble to update. So anyway guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. If you have a sprinkler system, be sure and keep an eye out on this vacuum breaker. It's easy to replace and update. So I appreciate you coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.